This is Cactus Jim speaking, otherwise known as Desert Highways. This video is about bird watchers, and the question is, should bird watching be banned? I know it seems harmless enough. Bird watchers, you see them, they carry a pair of powerful binoculars around their neck. They're dressed in khaki clothing. They are carrying a notebook and a pencil. That's their life list. They list all the birds they've seen in their life. I know, it just sounds pretty fucking lame, but that's what they do. They watch birds. Oh, by the way, I'm a semi-retired ornithologist from the University of Nebraska, so I know a lot about birds. So I've studied the phenomenon for 20 years, and I have discovered that birds don't like to be watched by humans or by any other species, especially by trout. So, especially by blacks. No, I'm just kidding. So the birds, they don't like to be watched. There's only one exception, one species that doesn't mind being watched, and that's the vermilion flycatcher. I'm not saying it likes to be watched, it just doesn't hate to be watched. So I'm writing my elected officials about banning bird watching. Good night.